Hey everyone, this is Hino Trade Secrets. This is day 24 of our daily trading journal, and today it has been pretty sideways, but still green. Overall looking good. Took a little bit of profit, still growing steadily. I know it's not too exciting, but I am considering uh, increasing my wallet size or the position size so that you can see bigger numbers. I wouldn't mind a little bigger numbers, but I just feel that whenever I make a change, it's like, man, it knew what I was going to do, and then it goes against me. So, of course, like based on let's go and look at the chart. Based on what we see here, it's like, yeah, I could probably add more position size here because I'm only using 20% percent of my wallet. If I had used the entire thing, this would be five times that. That would be 300, no, 150 bucks, right? To close this position out, and everything that you see will be magnified by five times. But if I use the whole thing and this thing starts to tank, then I'm gonna be stuck up here holding the bag for a very long time, unless I start to throw more money at this to bring this back up. Now, what we had here, this is great. Like this big swings up and down, and I'm looking for some of this stuff. I need that to get me to DCA more positions down, take more profit positions down, take more profit positions down, and then I just kind of play all the way through. But the fact that it's pumping, then either I have to chase it for until about August, September, and then be worried about it tanking on me. But the good thing is that I know that I won't be liquidated if I don't use my leverage. And the other part is, do I use $1,000 and leverage 25x and just take 1% every time it goes up and down, 20%, 5%. But then there's a chance that it doesn't matter if I make it or not. If it goes against me 10%, you just end up losing it all, you know. Unless I have to put some stop losses in place and then reverse the position, so and so, so and so, right? So I have to set up another DCA bot and play it that way. So I'm kind of debating on what I want to do, what I want to risk losing $1,000 and then washing out these gains if I do lose it, or do I just leverage this up, which seems to be the easiest, is to just use more wallet, maybe double it, triple it, or whatever, and then that way this could be more of a $60 gain or $100 gain instead of a couple bucks here and there. That way I could take a little more, and then if it comes down, great. I'll probably be stuck a little higher, but at least I got a little more out of it. So I know that we're kind of probably going to pump. You kind of have to know where it's going to go, and I feel like it is will break out. If it does that, then it does make sense to leverage up until the point where it doesn't. Then you're stuck higher or something, and you have to wait for the next cycle to get out, right? Um, so yeah, I'm still kind of debating whether I want to take that risk or not, and go from there. But anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we have so far. I will decide. Maybe I think I might like the $1,000 one where I'll just make what I can and then move it over here, save the soldiers, and then go from there. All right, so today, 27th, we closed out a $10 one. Yesterday was the 18, and the day before that was that. So still building it slowly. Still got the checking accounts. Still can use the margin for whatever I need to use it for. But yes, scared money makes no money. And do I want to, do it or not? So I think I might do a little bit. Um, yeah, and go from there. All right, let's look at the vault. I know that these guys are crypto cats in the negative. Coco is back up a little bit. He's uh he's got a nice little pump up. Close wise, lots of greens. Current position. It's got a short on Bitcoin right now as it's pumping up, and a short on ETH. So we'll see how things turn. And just kind of look at my, I just like did some research on leverage. How if you have 25x leverage, you can only probably hold it for about 2 weeks before that liquidation, a funding fee catches up to you. It does compound quite quick. The longer you hold it, every 8 hours, it starts to build up quite fast with the amount of leverage you have and the amount of margins you have to close down your your liquidation. So yeah, all right. So that's kind of what do you? Oh, this is the $73 one. Position wise, got two green ones on some other altcoins here. Overall, down negative 24 for CryptoCat, and 31 for the 14 days, negative 3. So all that effort, doesn't take much to lose it just as fast, you know. All right, that's all I have for today, guys. I think overall my vault is up. Uh, oh, there's some redeems here. Overall, I'm up $392. All right, talk to you later.